Want to turn your home into a cozy cottage retreat without spending a penny? In this video, we'll show you 3 easy transformations using furniture you already own. Let's dive in and create that timeless cottage charm. Step 1. Rearrange your furniture to create a snug, cottage-style layout. Cottage design focuses on intimate spaces and conversational setups. Bring your seating closer together, add a cozy blanket, and you're halfway there. Step 2. Add charm with accessories you already own. Look for things like vintage vases, baskets, or even stacks of books. Small touches like these give your space that authentic cottage vibe. Step 3. Bring in softness with fabrics. Swap out bold patterns for neutral or pastel tones. Add a quilt, linen pillows, or even an old scarf as a table rug. It's these little layers that make a big difference. And there you have it, 3 simple, budget-friendly ways to transform your home into a cozy cottage retreat using what you already own. Ready to give your space that charming makeover? Start today.